For years, Bandai dominated our workbenches with the incredible sci-fi modular worlds of 30 minutes missions and 30 minutes sisters. But when they stepped through the magical portal into the realm of high fantasy, they completely rewrote the plastic model kit rulebook. Welcome to 30 Minutes Fantasy. If you are a fan of Elden Ring, Dark Souls, or classic tabletop RPGs, this line is an absolute dream come true.
Putra shining, leap out into the sky. Let's go. Putra shining.
Welcome to Putra Shining's channel. Today, we are diving into the dark side of the realm, showcasing the phenomenal 30 MF skeleton soldier and its breathtaking evolution, the Necros Knight. Get ready, because we are looking at the absolute peak of budget-friendly army building, incredible snap-fit engineering, and pure, dark fantasy hype. Let's start with the foundation of the Undead army, the skeleton soldier. The moment you open this box, you realize Bandai has pulled off an absolute miracle of mold engineering. Usually, skeleton action figures or models suffer from being incredibly fragile, but this base element body is brilliantly robust. The assembly, true to the 30 minutes promise, this kit is an absolute breeze to build. The parts layout on the runners is incredibly intuitive, making the snapping process pure, uninterrupted fun. The sculpt. The anatomical detail here is exceptionally crisp. From the distinct separation of the ribs to the subtle textures on the skull, it looks stunning right out of the box. The articulation. Because there are no bulky armor plates to block the joints, the flexibility on this skeleton is astronomical. It can execute deep, predatory crouches, dynamic sword lunges, and expressive undead shambles with total ease. What happened when you combine both skeletons? It will be something like this. A dark horror mutated monster. It is, without a doubt, the single greatest 1/144 scale army builder on the market today. Now, a skeleton army needs a champion. And that brings us to the core gimmick of the 30 Minutes Fantasy line, the class-up system. By pairing your skeleton soldier with the Necros Knight armor set, you instantly evolve a basic grunt into a high-tier boss monster. The process of classing up your figure is exceptionally satisfying. The armor plates snap directly onto the skeleton's designated peg holes with a firm, precise click. The Necros Knight design is a masterclass in sinister elegance. The armor features jagged, aggressive angles, and a gorgeous, deep midnight black and purple color palette. The standout feature is the translucent purple plastic used for the helmet visor and the shield emblem. It catches ambient light beautifully, giving the Necros Knight an eerie, magical glow that looks incredibly premium. You get a heavily armored knight that still retains all of its spectacular articulation. The absolute best part about the 30 Minutes Fantasy line is that the build doesn't end when the manual closes. Because this kit utilizes Bandai's standardized 3mm peg and joint system, it is universally compatible with everything in the 30 Minutes universe. The customization potential is completely limitless. Weapon kit bashing. The Necros Knight comes with a beautifully sculpted dark sword and shield, but you can effortlessly combine weapons from other sets to create giant scythes, dual-bladed polearms, or magic staves. Armor swapping. Want to give your Necros Knight the heavy shoulder guards of a holy knight to create a fallen paladin look? You can do it in seconds. It turns your modeling desk into a literal RPG character creator. The system actively rewards your imagination, making every single kit you add to your collection a brand new upgrade pack for your undead army. At the end of the day, the 30 Minutes Fantasy Skeleton Soldier and Necros Knight armor set represent a glorious new golden age for fantasy model kits. Bandai has delivered a flawless combination of lightning-fast assembly, top-tier articulation, a breathtakingly cool dark fantasy aesthetic, and an infinite playground for customization. Whether you want a quick, relaxing weekend build, a horde of highly posable monsters for your tabletop campaigns, or an epic custom canvas to paint and weather, these kits deliver maximum value and absolute hype. They are a triumph of plastic engineering. If this breakdown got you ready to summon your own undead army, smash that like button and let me know in the comments, are you siding with the Holy Knights or joining the glorious ranks of the undead? Until next time, embrace your creativity, happy building, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you all on the next quest. Peace.